Today we're reviewing the HP LaserJet Pro M28W, the world's smallest all-in-one laser printer. Let's get started.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The HP LaserJet Pro M28W, the world's smallest all-in-one laser printer. It's compact, powerful, and designed to fit anywhere. Despite its size, it delivers top-notch print, scan, and copy features, perfect for home or small office use. With its sleek design and impressive speed, this little machine is truly amazing. A compact monochrome laser printer. It uses the HP 48A black toner cartridge, capable of printing up to 1,000 pages with sharp and clear results. This printer is ideal for anyone needing efficient black and white printing for home or small office use. The HP LaserJet Pro M28W is super compact, weighing just around 6.8 kilograms. With dimensions of 15.7 by 12 by 9.8 inches, it's perfect for tight spaces and easily fits into any home or office setup. The HP LaserJet Pro M28W has a 150-sheet input tray, making it efficient for small offices. It supports USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet connections, allowing easy printing from computers and mobile devices using the HP Smart app. The HP LaserJet Pro M28W offers impressive performance for its size. It prints at speeds of up to 18 to 19 pages per minute, ensuring fast and efficient document handling. With a maximum resolution of 1200 dpi, it delivers sharp and clear black and white prints, making it ideal for text documents and professional quality results. Whether you're printing reports, invoices, or forms, this printer ensures crisp output every time. Plus, with its laser technology, prints are smudge-resistant and long-lasting. The HP LaserJet Pro M28W copies at 18 to 19 CPM with 600 by 400 dpi resolution. Scanning is fast, taking around 10 seconds per page with a 600 dpi max resolution, ideal for documents and basic images. That's it for the HP LaserJet Pro M28W, a compact and reliable printer for home and office. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.